makes clear that deployment is not a right or employment.
The first group of people will call this a dictatorship, then the second group of people will call this a party that has rules and regulations. EFF just turned on its own mayoral candidate. Malema looked them in the eyes and said, "This is not a job, this is not your right to get rich. If you want to tend us for your family, you are in the wrong party." Listen to this.
We call on all fighters, supporters and structures of the EFF to give full support to all our mayoral candidates who were announced at the Thohoyandou rally. These candidates represent the breadth of the organization and the kind of leadership we believe must take responsibility for transforming municipalities. They bring different forms of experience, professional and political knowledge, organizational experience, youth leadership, and women leadership. This diversity is important because we have always insisted that our leaders must have the skills, experience, discipline, and political commitment to govern.
Hey, says Princess Sabuya. So Malema was talking about mayoral candidate, but what does that actually mean for you who is watching at home? The EFF says they didn't just pick up popular people, they picked people who understand discipline and how government works. So lomunya ngabuta ukuthi kubaluleke ngani for you as a voter. That is important because it means they are promising you a mayor who will actually show up and do the job, not just wear the red beret for photos. Uthini mbono wakho as umlandzeli we-EFF? Uyavumelana nalo kumbe uvumelana nalo mbono Malema?
The EFF proposed mayoral candidates for all metros and big cities are as follows: Buffalo City Metro, Mkhulule Ndlevu, Nelson Mandela Metro, Snawo Tambo, King Sabata Dalindyebo, Neto Kolanisi, Mangaung Metro, Mtako Sam Matias, Ekurhuleni Metro, Ntabiseng Chivenga, Tshwane Metro, Treasurer General Umpile Maotwe, Johannesburg Metro, Dr. Tale Mufokeng, eThekwini Metro, Thengiwe Mkhalipi, Umsunduzi, Stanley Tutuko Mqiwa, Mpulukwane Lawrence Mapulu, City of Mbombela, Deputy President Godrich Kadri, Rustenburg, Urumetsi Israel Munaisi, Sol Plaatje Lerato Florence Tito, Cape Metro National Chairperson Nontando Nolushungu. Additionally, we take this opportunity to announce mayoral candidate for the various other municipalities in each province. The names will be publicly available in the final release press statements.
I'm sure everyone who video who's going to be the mayoral candidate around your area. But look back where he gave them a very serious warning. He said being a mayor is not a job to get rich, not chasing tenders, not giving job to families, not abusing municipality cars and money. Why should you care when vote or because that is exactly why your roads are not fixed, why water is not coming, why sewage is in the road or in the street, because some of mayors go there to eat, not to serve. So EFF is telling you, if you vote for their mayor, you are voting for someone who is supposed to serve the community, not himself or herself. Whether they will do it, that is what we will see after November the 4th.
We express our full support and faith in all of our candidates to deliver victory in the 2026 local government elections on the 4th of November. Every candidate must remember the oath that accompanies EFF deployment. The declaration they undertook requires the candidate to serve the people of South Africa with discipline, honesty, integrity, and revolutionary commitment. It makes clear that deployment is not a right or employment, but a responsibility and organizational mandate, and that an EFF councillor must remain loyal to their community and the people of South Africa and make themselves available to serve their community. This is the standard we expect from every person who wears the red beret into a municipality. No mayor will be deployed to accumulate wealth, demand tenders, employ family members, abuse municipal resources, or become part of the same corrupt political establishment we have spent 13 years fighting.
Labaning Batating Studio Samalema Party, he's right, because let's be honest, how many mayors do we know who went into municipalities, broke, and came out with 3 houses and a tender for his wife? That's why your water is not coming. That's why your road are still damaged. Malema is saying, not with my mayors. When out in as in South Africa.
We are now entering another decisive phase of 2026 local government election campaign, and the EFF calls on every eligible South African who is not registered to vote and every voter who has changed their residential addresses to use their final voter registration weekend on the 1st and 2nd of August to register or update their details. We must therefore not wait until election day to discover that our names are not on the voters' roll or that our registration details are incorrect. I call upon every fighter to take responsibility for at least one person. Go to your family members, your neighbors, your friends, your colleagues, and the people in your communities. Ask them whether they are registered and help those who have not registered to do so. Our people must understand that registration is the first step towards using the vote to change the conditions under which they live. If you are angry about the price of food, electricity and fuel, register. If you are angry about unemployment, register. If you are tired of sewer in your street, unsafe roads, water shortages, and corruption in municipalities, register. If you want function in people's municipalities, register and register to vote EFF. Victory or death, we are going to win these elections.